heard of alkaline water till someone posed this question. So I had fun doing some research on it. So first of all, let me explain what alkaline is for those of you that don't know. So alkaline is a base. So pH greater than 7. So neutral is 7, acid is less than 7, alkaline greater than 7. So here's the deal. Our bodies are at a neutral pH, always 7. If it weren't 7, we would die. So it's kind of funny that we've got to have this alkaline water to neutralize our pH, when in fact our pH is already neutralized for us. But here's where it got interesting as I started doing some research. Looking at what foods actually produce acid in our body. It's primarily protein foods, meat, poultry, fish. A lot of grains, even healthy grains, whole grains, you name it. Even if they're healthy, grains tend to produce some acid in our body. So what our body does is then try to pull minerals to neutralize that acid, because our body has to be neutral. And so when it pulls minerals, it's generally going to pull those minerals from the base foods that we eat. Those alkaline foods that we eat are fruits and vegetables. So what kind of hit me was that our American diet, our Western diet, we are not eating enough fruits and vegetables anymore. So the problem with that is that our body has to be neutral. So it has to have those minerals from somewhere. So if it's not coming from the diet, it's going to pull the minerals from stores. And that's bone. That's where we store minerals. So the concern is that when we eat too much foods that produce acid in our body, that our body is going to have to pull minerals from our bones, and that's a cause for osteoporosis. So it is actually a big deal. So the main thing I would say, first of all, is we got to eat more fruits and vegetables. As far as alkaline water goes, I mean, why not? It's safe. Now, to make water alkaline means they have to add minerals to it. And so in doing that, they will probably add potassium. If someone has kidney damage, then alkaline water is probably not a good idea. And kidney failure, you would have to check with your physician if you're on a potassium restriction or not. Otherwise, alkaline water is fine, it's safe. But is it necessary? No. Eating fruits and vegetables is necessary. Now, some of the other claims as far as alkaline water goes, when I did the research on actual alkaline water, some of the claims are, well, the main claim is that it helps to reduce acidosis in the body. But based on my research, our bodies we don't have chronic acidosis. Our bodies can't be in an acidic state or we would die. So that claim really is not substantiated. Another claim that I read was that it just improves overall health, that it reduces toxins and reduces pathogens. No research to support that claim. Another claim was that it improves hydration. No evidence to support that claim other than water is water, but that doesn't matter if it's alkaline or not. And then one other claim that was interesting that I haven't mentioned is in athletes. So when athletes undergo an intense workout, many of you, especially those of you who are athletes or former athletes, know that your body produces more hydrogen ions in the muscles. What that produces is lactic acid. So you get lactic acid buildup in your muscles after an intense workout. So there is thought that perhaps drinking alkaline water, a base, would help to neutralize that lactic acid. So we don't have research at the moment to really support that claim, but it certainly couldn't hurt to try. Certainly we do look at sodium bicarbonate and beta-alanine are two buffers that some athletes do take. So maybe alkaline water could be taken in place of those two buffers.